Hello gang, Tribble here. I have been thinking about creating a video like this for a long time. Here's the premise. I've been a blogger for a long time. As a matter of fact, I've been a blogger since the time when people would I tell them I have a blog and they look at me like I have a third eye. Like I was an alien, and so blogging is something that I've believed in for a long time. I was an early adopter, and guess what? The time has come. I got to be very forthright and upfront with you. If you don't have a blog today, and you're a small business owner, you're a network marketer, you're involved in direct selling in some way, shape, or form, you want to brand yourself on the internet as an expert in some type of a niche, gang, you are missing the boat completely. I got to tell you, this is a brand new world, a world of technology where you can build a blog and gain a following so quickly. I've seen it done time and time and time again. But if I'm telling you, I'm going to show you a couple things here that literally should have you clamoring to build a blog. And here's the big kicker. I'm not talking about I am talking about a WordPress blog that is self-hosted. I'm not talking about a Blogger or Blogspot blog or a blog that's hosted on WordPress.com that they host for free for you that you have no control over. I'm talking about a WordPress blog on your own domain that you own, that you control, that you host through someplace like Bluehost or something like that. Like this. Here, check this out. Go http mlmblog.net. That's my own blog hosted on my own server, etc. So, anyways, here's the thing. Less than 2 hours ago, roughly 2 hours ago, I created a new blog post on my site that talked about a Mark Hoverson training and inspirational video. You see it right there, Mark Hoverson training and inspirational video. The purpose of creating this blog post was I wanted people to know about this new Mark Hoverson video that is out. Mark Hoverson is a buddy of mine. We met personally for the first time in Portland, Oregon a few weeks ago. I've known about this project that he was working on. So I took the time to write a couple of sentences, a couple paragraphs of a blog post, and linked people to his video. His video is an amazingly touching story about the realities of going from literally from qualifying for food stamps to a seven-figure earner in less than 4 years. And so I highly recommend you check that out. But here's the point. I was targeting a couple of terms that I had in mind. One was Mark Hoverson training, right here, Mark Hoverson training, and the other was Mark Hoverson video. Now, I want to take you over to Google and show you something really, really cool. That, by the way, was my MLM blog, if you're scoring at home. Okay, now, we're on Google. Now, here's something I want to show you that's very important. If you look in and see this, I note that this says sign in right there. You're going to notice that I am actually not signed in. If you sign into Google, you're actually not effectively looking at what Google really sees around the nation. And what I mean by that is it will target results specifically for you. If my site is mlmblog.net, it will tend to put mlmblog.net higher than others simply because it's my site, I visited often, that kind of thing. So you want to be signed out. So if it says sign in there, you're in the right place. So I'm obviously not signed in to Google. Now, watch this. Mark Hoverson. Let's start with training. Let's do a Google search. Mark Hoverson training. Okay, first thing I want to point out is all of these people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people are paying for Mark Hoverson training as a keyword in Google, sponsored links. You follow me? These are links that people are paying for to be ranked there. This is results 1 through 10 of 55,700 searches or entries under the terms Mark Hoverson training. Now I want you to see what number 3 is. 1, 2, 3. Mark Hoverson training and inspirational video. Let's click on it. Lo and behold, it's my site where I just showed you Mark Hoverson's video. Gang, this is within 2 hours. Literally 2 hours. I'm number 3 on Google. I want to show you something else. Let's try Mark Hoverson video. Search. Okay, now, Mark Hoverson training and inspirational video. What's number 1? With all of these over here, there's actually 8 of them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paid sponsored links. Who's number 1 within 2 hours of posting that blog post? Tribble's MLM blog. Number 1 on Google. Now here's the kicker. Get this. Number 4 is Mark Hoverson accidentally cracked the code for global resorts. Now, I'm not picking on Mark here, but this is Mark's personal site. Okay? This is Mark Hoverson's personal site with his own video on it. I can click on it. There's Mark. He's going to start talking to us for a second. There he is. Greetings from Mark Hoverson. Now, gang, you follow me? I'm number 1 on Google in less than 2 hours in a search term that has 86,000 entries. Why is that? Gang, I have cracked the MLM blog code. I'll be telling you more information about this in the future, but for now, I am so excited about what is coming your way. I'm sorry to be a little bit secretive, but there is some cool stuff coming your way. Have a great night. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.